If you're looking for a power bank that's actually going to work when the grid doesn't, this solar charger needs to be on your list. This is my hands-on review of this 10-watt portable solar charger. As a part of my ongoing Emergency Preparedness Gear review series, I'm testing portable chargers, solar panels, and survival-ready gadgets to help families stay powered when it counts. First of all, who is this for? Anyone building a go bag or emergency kit? Campers, hikers, travelers who need backup power, or families just looking for a low-cost backup for phones and devices, and people looking for solar charging without buying a huge panel setup. In the package, you'll find a USB to C, 2 carabiners, a lightweight and durable solar charger. It has 2 loops for the 2 carabiners. It folds down so it's quite compact, and it even includes pocket for your cell phone. This little unit is one of the most affordable solar options out there, designed for emergencies, camping, and everyday backup power. Now, at 10 watts, the solar panel is not the fastest charging, so it's great for topping up your power bank or your phones during the daylight hours or in a pinch. Enough to recharge most phones 1 to 2 times. It's also a QI wireless pad. You can wirelessly charge your device, so you can charge 2 devices at a time. At 13 ounces, this is lightweight. While this isn't going to replace a large solar panel or a large power bank, it is a reliable, affordable option that you can always count on as backup. If you're building a go bag, prepping for winter power outages, or just want a backup charger you can throw in your truck or day pack, this 10-watt solar charger is a necessity.